To block software update by USB cable on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find security and privacy. Tap security and privacy. Under additional security settings section, tap auto blocker. If auto blocker is still off, you can tap the on off switch until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Next, tap the gray on off switch next to block software update by USB cable until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When this option is on, your phone will prevent installation of system software using a USB cable. By enabling this option, your phone can prevent someone with physical access to your phone from installing malicious software without your knowledge. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.